LEDVANCE offers a wide variety of luminaires to replace traditional lighting technology in both indoor and outdoor applications. Let's start off with the panel. In this video, we would like to show you the key features and a short installation video of the new LEDVANCE Panel luminaire. The LEDVANCE Panel luminaires are suitable for various applications. The main areas of applications are corridors, offices, conference rooms, reception areas, foyers, and elevators. The LEDVANCE panel is a recessed luminaire with a slim housing which offers quick and simple installation, excellent uniform light distribution, and controlled glare thanks to its diffuser. A UGR rating of less than 19 is also available. It is extremely efficient at up to 110 lumens per watt, and you will easily save 50% of electrical energy. The LEDVANCE panel luminaire offers a lifetime of up to 50,000 hours and carries a 5-year warranty. LEDVANCE offers the panel luminaire in 30, 33, or 40 watt versions depending on what light output is desired. The LEDVANCE panel is offered in 3 different color temperatures: 3000, 4000, or 6500 Kelvin. They are also suitable for most common grid sizes in Europe: 600 by 600 millimeter or 625 by 625 millimeters. The panel also has a high-quality aluminum housing with a matte white frame. And now, let us demonstrate how easy it is to install this LEDVANCE luminaire. Thank you for your attention, and should you have any questions, please visit www.ledvance.com or contact LEDVANCE customer service or your local wholesaler.